Bro, I don't know what the hell's gonna happen.
You will enjoy it.
What's the bike called?
C02.
Woo! Is there water in the car, brother?
Yeah, that's
So we're going for the X5 trail event, the X trail event right now to put the X5 to its limits. So right now I'm with instructor Yogesh and we all set to go off on to the X trail with the X5 30D right now.
So we are using more of the technology rather than power of the vehicle. We are in off-road height right now.
So we're at the highest level right now. Do we need to put on the hill descent now?
Yes.
Okay, this one's scary. Can I see the camera back? Because I can't see the road at all right now. Yeah. This
Now
is
foot
crazy.
On the floor, foot on the floor. Trust me, foot on the floor.
Okay.
On the floor.
On the floor. On the floor.
Now you can increase and decrease speed to check.
Oh, this is so cool. Because it's a controlled environment, it's good. I don't think so I'll be able to do this without you in the car.
Go straight.
Yes,
Go
yes,
straight,
yes.
Go straight. Go straight. Go straight. Stop. Full left. Stability of the vehicle. Full left. Yes.
Full left.
We are controlling it with the brakes.
Yeah.
Reduce your speed to 6.
Okay.
Right.
Okay.
Brake, brake, brake. So I'll tell you when to leave to give it to hill descent control, right? Okay. Trust me now. Leave the brakes. Steer, steer, steer.
Oh God. Oh God. I'm never going to do this in my own car. The X5 is capable of everything.
We're in the air.
Going, keep going, keep going.
We're sliding down.
Yeah, just keep the steering steady. Okay, go. Slowly. Very slowly. Now steering straight.
Oh my God.
Okay.
There's stuff falling in the car. Oh,
You can breathe.
yeah, that was intense. I think my neck muscles got tight.
So to use this technology, you have to trust the technology first.
Yes, you have to trust it, yeah. And that was the X Trail drive. I enjoyed it. Thank you, Yogesh,
Thank you.
for the experience. Did you all enjoy the back seat?
We went with the X5 only. Nash was driving.
Okay, Nash was
so it
driving.
was quite smooth, but this time it was like a real adventure.
Really? Like, was it because I was bad?
Because we all were scary. That time Nash was not scary.
I hope you liked the experience.
Absolutely. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. It's a C02. I'm ready to jump onto the C02 and figure out. He's doing a bit of dust cleaning for us due to the dusty environment. Yeah, you need to give me a little bit of a walk around on this. These are not bike friendly shots, I must say. There's actually like a phone mount and all on this one.
You can connect your phone to it.
Dude, check out the key is more cooler than the X5s.
No way, the camera. Sure.
Raspreet, you look like you're in Mexico.
From here?
Yep.
And both of these are the brakes?
Rear and front. So with the
No wheelies, please.
red kill switch, just
Okay,
press it.
downwards?
With the brake.
Okay, with the brake.
It's done.
quick,
It's on,
huh?
it's on.
Okay, it's on already.
That's
Dude, I swear.
Go off-roading.
You can.
Just find a way out. That's what the bike is all about.
Dude, this is mess. Woo! It's fun, yeah. So it costs 5.5 lakh rupees on road. What are the drive modes in this?
There are 3 modes.
Okay.
Where do you plug?
Low.
Where do you charge it from?
It's a lower power mode. It has regen on it.
So what? Okay.
No, I have an important question.
69 is the
It doesn't have an
last position.
engine.
So there's a motor, right?
Yeah,
Motor
motor.
can
check engine.
What's wrong with it?
But motor is an engine for electric cars.
What's
It's pretty cool.
Then there's surf.
Are there like any more models in this?
There's just Highline with us right now.
Okay. So if you put your phone here, it's like the second display.
Yeah, and you can.
How is the handbrake on this? So it'll keep rolling back. See, what's your name?
Dwayne.
Dwayne. Awesome. It's fun. It's good fun.